Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Wix site. This is a fantastic way to build trust with potential customers by showcasing real feedback from people who've used your business. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will take you to the overview of your website settings. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add Google reviews to. It's always a good idea to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This opens up a world of options for customizing your site. The Add Elements menu will expand, and from here, locate the Embed Code button and click on it. Look for the option that says Embed HTML and click on the plus sign next to it. This will add a code editor element directly to your website, and this is exactly where we'll be adding the Google Reviews widget. Once the Embed HTML element is added to your page, open a new browser tab and head to elfsite.com. From here, locate the Widgets button on the top left part of the page. Before proceeding, make sure you are logged in to your Elfsite account. A widget catalog will appear. From here, locate the search bar and type in Google Reviews, then click on it. You'll be directed to the Google Review Widget Overview page, and from here, click on Create Widget for free. You'll now be presented with sample templates to showcase your Google reviews. Browse through the options and select one that fits the style of your website. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to add your business name and address. Enter these details carefully as they need to match your actual Google business listing. Once added, click on Add to Website for free. At this point, you can close the widget editor and head back to your Elfsite dashboard. From your dashboard, locate the Google Reviews widget we just created. Click on the three-dot icon next to it. From the options that appear, click on Embed Code and copy the embed code that's provided. This code is what connects the widget to your Wix site. Once you've copied the embed code, head back to your Wix website designer page. From here, simply paste the code into the HTML code editor we added earlier. After pasting, click on Update. The widget should now appear on your site, displaying your Google reviews in a clean, professional format. And that's it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your Wix site, giving visitors instant access to authentic feedback from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.